skin supplements are one of the fastest growing corners of the wellness industry, and DermaCept Capsules is positioning itself squarely inside that trend, promising improvements to skin texture and tone from something you swallow rather than something you apply. That's a meaningfully different claim than a topical cream makes, because ingested ingredients have to survive digestion and actually reach the skin in a form that does something, which is a much higher bar than most marketing pages acknowledge. Looking into DermaCept specifically, I couldn't locate the kind of information that would let a shopper make a fully informed decision. No accessible ingredient breakdown I could confirm independently. No clinical data connected to this exact formula. And no meaningful volume of customer feedback outside of whatever the brand's own site presents. That's not unusual for a newer or smaller supplement brand, but it does put more weight on the buyer to do their own homework before purchasing. What I can say generally is that ingredients like collagen peptides, certain vitamins, and antioxidants do show up in published research related to skin health. So a product built around those wouldn't be starting from nothing. Whether DermaCept specifically uses evidence-backed dosages, though, is something I have no way to confirm from here. There's also the practical side worth checking before ordering: how the company handles returns, whether the purchase enrolls you in a recurring subscription, and whether the listed capsule count matches what a full course of use would actually require. I wouldn't call DermaCept an obvious scam based on what's available, but I also can't point to solid evidence that it delivers on its promises. The honest position is that this sits in the large, underexplored middle ground where a lot of skin supplements live, plausible in theory, unproven in practice. So if you decide to try it, keep an eye on the fine print and don't count on dramatic results.